Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram Reels name. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to remove the Instagram watermark, you will need just to have the latest version of Instagram. And basically, in the newest version of Instagram, it doesn't add any watermark to it when you start publishing Reels directly from Instagram Reels. So if we go here and we can start just recording anything, and I'm just going to click on next. And basically here we can click on next again. We can add some whatever and click on test. I'm just going to make this one as private. Click on share, and basically we are having our reel that's being shared. And we can go now to our here, and basically we can see that there is no watermark that is added to our reel here on Instagram. And basically, in case if you are having trouble and you can see some watermark that are showing on your reels here on Instagram, you will need simply to go some tools that remove the watermark. All you need to do is just to for example download your reel, and after that you can go to the browser and search for remove watermark online, watermark online, and then you will go to any tools that you can see here and they will do the work. You will need just to upload your video, and basically you will need just to remove the watermark from it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.